And guys, it is completed. The 2015 Ford F-250 Super Crew. You wanna see this interior, guys. It's not in cloth, it's synthetic, but it has seen better days. You can see right there the wear and tear. This pony is already been worn out. It's so soft, so it's collapsed. We're gonna have to replace it by a new one. Welcome guys, and you are looking at a kit that is gonna go into a 2015 Ford F-250. This is for the Super Crew, guys. This particular kit, guys, is only synthetic. It doesn't have any leather, guys, because this client likes to do a 4x4 in rivers and lakes and all these kind of things, and it gets so dirty. So to make it cleanable, leather is not the best option for those kind of environments. For this case, guys, it's all full synthetic. It means all vinyl, guys. And guys, we have this for virtually any vehicle that you can think of. We have it. Please make an inquiry. LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com. And guys, this can fit the regular cab, the Super Cab, and obviously the Super Crew, the Platinum, and the Lariat for the F-250, the F-350, the 450, and the big 550, guys. And guys, this is not your cheap sliding covers that you might find on different marketplaces. This is the real upholstery kit. This is basically more or less the way that it came from the manufacturer, from the dealer, guys. And I saying that because it has all the reinforcements for airbags. You can see right here we have the airbag logo, because the reinforcement is there to comply with safety regulations. You can see it's a little back right there, so that's very important, guys. It has the mouth pockets in the back, just like the factory did, and all the features, guys. When it comes to the seats, everything is in there. This is upholstery work. This is not your cheap sliding covers, guys. What you're gonna get depends in the configuration, guys. You're gonna have, in the case of this truck, the 2 buckets, the center seat right there. What else you're gonna get? The headrest, obviously. The cover for the lid on top. The other piece, if you have the jump seat. If not, you want to have the cover for the console only. And for the rear seat, it's a split 60/40. Basically, it's 2 pieces. This is the cushions in the bottom. And if you notice, if you have carpet or cap with carpet, exactly as the factory, guys, all the headrests are there. All the covers for the armrest is going to be included. And obviously, this is the opening for the armrest. And guys, this is upholstery work. Meaning, I recommend professional installation, obviously, because you want to have the best finish possible. But let's say you are a guy that like to go hands-on this thing. Absolutely. And we know that depends on your skills. You can do that also. You can do this installation more or less slightly on a day. Some other people will take 2 days. And there is the one that will take up to 3 days. Again, guys, it's based on skills. So depends on that. It's possible. Finish obviously varies. I cannot guarantee that. But you can see that this looking crappy kit that you see right here. Wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful it's gonna look. So you want to see the before and after pictures of this, because you might wonder, Alicio, that one looks like crap. I know, guys, it looks like crap. But there is going to be places, guys, that you're going to go and they're going to install it and it's still looking like crap. And if you're going to choose a professional installer, yeah, you want to know who you're taking it to. In our case, well, guys, we've been doing this for quite some time, so you can trust on our feedback for our clients. Is louder than what I can say, guys. You can go and see our feedback at emupholsterytechnology.com. And now you can see everything on social media, also Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. We have a lot of material there, a lot of content for you guys to examine what we do, what our clients are saying. So we validate what we're saying right here, guys. We don't try to say something that is off the line. Guys, visit LeatherTeck.com if you like to order something like this or any different style. We have over 60 different colors and combinations, contrast stitch, pipings, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycomb, and many others. We have also exotics like ostrich, alligator, soy skin, you name it. We have them at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys. And if you like my content and you want to see more, guys, like and subscribe so you can see transformations, techniques, and how to do your beautiful leather seat at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. Guys, because besides the noise of the plane, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult, guys. And if you want to take this to the next level, guys, let me show you something. Because some people will say, Elicio, that thing, sometimes it gets too hot. Or they will say, it gets too cold in the winter, guys. You can take it to the next level and add temperature control system, Degreez. 3 levels of cooling, 3 levels of heating, so you're always cozy in your ride. You are in a budget because this is our top of the line. Please inquire about this cost. You can get at least your seat heater, guys. Please include it, at least this in your kit if you are in zones that are too cold in winter, because you want to have some heat in your seats. One more thing, guys, because our prices are regulated by the manufacturer, I have a way that I can help you to save hundreds of dollars if you go to LeatherTeck.com and fill out the form to unlock exclusive prices and special editions and many other discounts, guys, only exclusively for the people in the list. So if you want to save hundreds in your next order, please go to LeatherTeck.com and fill up the form. It only takes a minute or less. It's very easy, guys, and you want to unlock discounts and promotions only available for the people in that particular list. You don't want to miss out, guys. So visit LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys, and ask me a question. Right there we have a small widget, so you can interact with us in front of the computer from your phone, or you can call me directly. Not a problem. I can take your call and we can talk about what is that you need, so I can offer you solutions for your particular case, guys. Everybody's different. Like this client, he says, Licio, off-roading, a lot of dirt, mud, all these kind of things. I say, you know what? Synthetic is one choice. You want to go leather, but the pigments are going to come off. If you get it wet, they're going to ruin the leather. So for this particular case, guys, in this particular case, I'm sorry, the way to go is full synthetic, which he already has in his truck. It's full synthetic. He never got leather. He get it like that from the dealer. So he has no problem in getting the same thing. Not the same thing, because this one is looking better. It's going to look fantastic. You can see the before and after pictures of this job, guys. It's going to be posted here in YouTube. Just look for that link. Then maybe it's going to be posted. Not maybe. I'm going to ask for that link to be posted right here, so you can see the transformation, guys. And please inquire, let me know what you need. And again, guys, look forward for that video before and after pictures and videos, because you want to see this transformation, guys. Like and subscribe. And again, guys, thank you for watching.